Real quick, I just wanted to show you what I did for the foot pedal. So this is on the factory F-body. I had to end up cutting it right here, and this has a little pin that goes in there on the factory foot pedal with the cable. So there's the angle on that. So kind of compared it to, let's see, that sits like that. So that's how that is. But anyways, I cut this, so I'm gonna probably keep this and this assembly because once I sell the car, I'm going to put back the cable in it, so I can, once I transfer my other chassis, I could just transfer all this over to it. What I ended up doing was I cut it in half. This foot pedal was probably almost straight, to be honest. It was just about straight, so I cut it and then I re-welded it, kind of mocked it up on the inside, and I just played with it on and off maybe 5-6 times or more. That way I can put it exactly where I want it. But so it goes in really nice. I ended up punching a hole there, and I cut around a little bit. I don't know if it's kind of dark to see, but the top part right there, that bolt right there, is a factory one. So the factory bolt, I put it up on that one into the factory hole on the pedal here, and I drilled an additional hole right there in the middle, this one right here, as you see, and then I just drilled a hole through the firewall for there, and then I put a nut and bolt, tighten down the nut. That way I'll have an external nut to just tighten it down. That way I'm not having to deal with it, so it's like a stationary stud. So it works real good though, very nicely. So you want to play with it, make sure you get full throttle out of it, and it just goes on like that, real easy. 2 bolts within a minute putting it on, and that's it. I'll show you kind of a back view from it from the back, but that's it. Works real good, clears, feels good. On to the next step.